to Slay It and Slay. My name is Leslie. Finally, we have come to the conclusion of the Rulers of the Sun collection. Okay, now on with the show and a little segment I call Let's Get Into My Box. In case you don't know, Willa Eason established OMAC Toys in 1985 because her 3-year-old son came up to her and said that he didn't have any, but he could not be represented as a hero because he could never be He-Man because he wasn't white. His mother took that to heart, as any great mother would. Thus, she founded the first African-American superhero line, thus fulfilling a void and a need for customers that were otherwise without appropriate representation. For those of you that don't know, ZAP-MAN debuted before Clamp-Champ, which gave him the prestigious honor of being the first African-American black superhero action figure in the squat pose genre. Okay, first of all, let's go ahead and look at the box. I do like the photo ops. I also like the back of the box. This is a really cool representation of all of the Rulers of the Sun. Pighead being my favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up, so I will be right back. Okay, now that we have them out of the box, we're gonna go ahead and look at them. Each figure comes with a little card back. It's a little thick cardboard and it's got a picture of him and a little bio on the back. I'm going to go ahead and start off with ZAP-MAN, the micro laser specialist. He is armed with an array of virus destroying mini towers and a mind for computer hacking. ZAP-MAN is the ultimate defense against technological attacks. The micro laser specialist prevents dangerous text from falling into the wrong hands. That's pretty cool. With the figure, I like that it snaps on, and it's a reprint of a head, so they could have given us a different type of head. Other than that, I really like the figure. His armor snaps on and off right here. And he has articulation just like the rest of them. Next up, we have HOLOGRAPHO Man. He is a futuristic scientist from a distant part of the universe. HOLOGRAPHO mastered the ability to capture, freeze, and manipulate illusions. Now, hero of the Trexa, the futuristic scientist protects the innocent from the forces of evil. And as a side job, he's a Domino's pizza delivery guy. With this, his sword is different. The grip is pretty good. I do like his holographic projections shield. You can take it off by the little button here. Last but not least is KIKTO. He is an expert kickboxer, a martial art master sworn to use his talents to battle evil. KIKTO is far more dangerous than the explosive star discs that adorn his armor. Deemed worthy of by his ancestors, they bestowed upon him sonic powers to disable his enemies. I like his figure. He's got the discs come off of all of them. He's got an extra storage space here. I don't know why they didn't just give us 5 discs, but that's okay. The one thing I don't like about it is it just doesn't have the color application that he should have. He's just too white for me. Like maybe put some application on his discs or something like that. But other than that, I believe that they are really good figures. I do like that the armor does snap on and off. All right, now it's time for Smash or Pass. I believe we are going to do a smash, but I am just biased because I am a completist also. But I do like the figures. They are very different from the rest of the origin figures that there are out there. So we're gonna say smash. With that being said, that is all I have today. So if you have enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit the like and subscribe button. Great day.